Hello guys, today I am going to explain my Dream11 prediction project. In this project I have used n number of libraries. You can take a screenshot what I used in this. And after this, before going to explain, we need to understand the data set. Because without understanding the data, we can't do and we miss some patterns. And see, this is my data set, what I have. This is the match ID, this is the season, player name, team name, runs he scored, balls faced, strike rate, 4, 6, 50s, 100s, balls delivered, runs given, wickets, economy, no balls, wides, dismissed by wicket type. This variable is containing batting performance last five. Last five means he played in his last 5 matches how he performed. In the for the Deepak Chahar, he played for the batting. He scored only 1 run in 5 matches because he doesn't get a chance to bat. But for the bowling performance, he took 11 wickets in his last 5 matches. This is the batting performance is 0 and bowling performance is 1. 1 means before the match and at the same venue. And these are the maiden overs. This is our target variable. Based on these stats, runs, balls, strike rate, 4, 6s. Based on this, he gets some fantasy points. These fantasy points calculated based on the Dream11 website, fantasy point system. This is the basic understanding of my data set. And before going to explain my project, if you like this video and you want to hear this project, and if you think this project will help your prediction, please like, share and subscribe this video.